Namaste. In this video, we are solving this trigonometric identity. To solve this trigonometric identity, let's take left-hand side. Its left-hand side is sin beta minus cos beta minus 1 upon sin beta plus cos beta minus 1 minus 1 minus sin beta minus cos beta upon 1 minus sin beta plus cos beta. Okay, to solve this, let us change numerator and denominator both in same order of second fraction as order of numerator and denominator in first fraction. I hope you have understood. In first fraction, there is sin beta at first, then cos beta, then 1 in numerator also. And in denominator also, sin beta at first, then cos beta, then minus 1. But in second fraction, there is 1 at first, then sin beta, then cos beta in numerator also. 1 at first, then sin beta, then cos beta in denominator also. If we change numerator and denominator both in the same order of first fraction, it would be little more easier to solve. So for that, let us take minus common in numerator also, denominator also. It will be easier. First fraction same, sin beta minus cos beta minus 1 upon sin beta plus cos beta minus 1 minus, let us take minus common in numerator, then sin beta will be positive. After taking minus common, this minus sin beta will become plus sin beta. Let us write it at first, sin beta. Then cos beta is negative. If we take minus common, it also will be positive, plus cos beta. Then 1 was positive, but if we take minus common, it will be negative. Let's do same in denominator also. Let's take minus common. Sin beta is negative, it will be positive. Cos beta is positive, it will be negative, minus cos beta. 1 is positive, it will be negative, minus 1. Now all of the terms are in same order, but this minus and this minus can be cancelled. Now let's take LCM in denominator. It will be sin beta plus cos beta minus 1 in one bracket, sin beta minus cos beta minus 1 in next bracket. It is our LCM. Now after taking LCM, we'll multiply sin beta minus cos beta minus 1 and sin beta minus cos beta minus 1. It will be sin beta minus cos beta minus 1 whole square. All of the terms have same sign. All of these terms and all of these terms have same sign, so it will be whole square minus, we'll multiply sin beta plus cos beta minus 1 and sin beta plus cos beta minus 1. They have also same sign, so it will be whole square. Sin beta plus cos beta minus 1 whole square. And this is equal to, in denominator, let's separate the term which has different sign in both brackets. That is cos. Here is plus cos and here is minus cos. We'll separate that. And we'll write like sin beta minus 1 together in first bracket. We can write sin beta minus 1 together plus cos beta will be separated. And in second bracket, sin beta minus 1, sin beta minus 1 in one bracket, and we'll separate minus cos beta. This is because we'll suppose first bracket sin beta minus 1 as A, cos beta as B, and it will look like A plus B in first bracket, A minus B in second bracket, and we'll apply the formula. But now let's see the numerator. In numerator, here is sin beta minus cos beta minus 1 whole square. It is in the form of A minus B minus C whole square. Let's see the formula. A minus B minus C whole square is equal to In previous video also I explained a plus b plus c whole square. Now here all of these three numbers are all positive only. Square of a is a square. Square of minus b is b square. Square of minus c is c square. Square of negatives also becomes positive. Then after we must have the term with ab, that is 2ab. But this 2ab is positive or negative, its sign will be determined from here. If a and b have same sign, then there will be plus. But now a is positive, b is negative, so here will be minus. Then we need the term with bc, that is 2bc. Now this 2bc is positive or negative, it will be determined from here. If b and c, bc means b into c. If b and c have same sign, then there will be plus. If they have different sign, there will be minus. But here now b also negative, c also negative, minus into minus becomes plus. And finally we need the term with ac, 2ac. This 2ac will be minus or plus, it will be determined from sign of a and sign of c. Now a is positive, c is negative, plus into minus becomes minus. We'll apply this formula for first bracket. So here we'll get a square plus b square plus c square. That means sin square beta plus cos square beta plus square of 1 is 1 only. This is a square plus b square plus c square. Then there is minus 2ab. Here we'll write minus 2. A is first term, b is second term. Here first term is sin, second term is cos. 2 sin beta cos beta. Sin beta cos beta. Then there is plus 2bc plus 2, b means second term, c means third term. Third term is 1. Cos beta into 1 cos beta. Then we need minus 2ac. Minus 2, a means first term, c means third term. First term is sin b, third term is 1, sin b into 1, sin b. Okay, after then there is minus, we put minus. But before we expand this sin b plus cos b minus 1 whole square using formula, we'll put here bracket because there is minus, minus changes the sign. Let's see what will we get if there is. Before this there was a minus b plus c whole square. But now there is a, before this there was a minus b minus c whole square. Now there is a plus b, a plus b minus c. So now formula will be slightly changed. A square plus b square plus c square is same. Then 2ab, here a is positive, b also positive, it will be plus 2ab. It will be plus 2ab. Then bc, 2bc, b is positive, c is negative, so it will be minus 2bc. And finally a is positive, c is negative, it will be minus 2ac only. Only two sign are changed. Sign of 2ab was negative, it will be positive now. Sign of 2bc was positive before this, now it will be negative. So here we'll get a square plus b square plus c square means sin square plus cos square plus 1. Sin square beta plus cos square beta plus 1, all positive. And after then plus 2ab means 2 sin cos, 2 sin beta into cos beta, minus 2bc minus 2bc, bc means cos beta into 1, cos beta into 1 cos beta. And finally minus 2ac minus 2, a is sin beta, b is 1, sin beta into 1 sin beta. And now this is equal to, we'll get sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1 plus 1, other terms we will write same, minus 2 sin beta cos beta plus 2 cos beta minus 2 sin beta minus Now we will remove bracket and change sign. And sin square beta plus cos square beta is again 1. This plus 1 will become now minus 1. Change all these sign. Here is plus 2 sin beta into cos beta, and it will be minus 2 sin beta into cos beta plus 2 cos beta plus 2 sin beta upon, here we can consider sin beta minus 1 as a, cos beta as b, and we'll get like a plus b, a minus b, and here we'll use the formula of a plus b, a minus b, will get a square minus b square in denominator. So our denominator will be sin beta minus 1 whole square minus cos square beta. Now in numerator, we can cancel if there are any same number different sign. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, then minus 2 sin beta plus 2 sin beta, they are cancelled. Then if there are same numbers same sign, we'll add them. Here is minus 2 sin beta cos beta. Here also we have minus 2 sin beta cos beta. We'll add them and we'll get minus 4 sin beta cos beta. Then there is 2 cos beta, both positive, will get plus 2 cos beta. And in denominator we'll get, apply formula of a minus b whole square, will get sin square beta minus 2 sin beta plus 1 minus cos square beta. In place of 1 minus cos square beta, we can write sin square beta in denominator. In numerator, we'll take minus 4 cos beta common. Sorry, in numerator there was 2 cos beta plus 2 cos beta is 4 cos beta. There should be 4 cos beta. In numerator, we'll take 4 cos beta common, minus 4 cos beta common, and there will remain sin beta minus sin beta from first term, and from second term nothing will be remaining, minus 1. And in denominator, there is sin square beta minus 2 sin beta. 1 minus cos square beta is equal to also sin square beta. Sin square beta. And now from here, we'll get minus 4 cos beta is our numerator. Minus 4 cos beta is our numerator. There will remain sin beta minus 1 upon sin square beta plus sin square beta is 2 sin square beta, and minus 2 sin beta. In denominator also we have 2 sin beta common. Numerator minus 4 cos beta into sin beta minus 1, and in denominator 2 sin beta common, and there will remain sin beta minus 1. Sin beta minus 1 in numerator and sin beta minus 1 in denominator can be cancelled. 2 cancels 4 2 times, and there will remain minus 2 cos beta upon sin beta, and which is minus 2 cos beta upon sin beta equal to cot beta. Hence our right hand side is 2. peaceful.